Welcome to Drive Time, your home for the most in-depth automotive insights and reviews. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. A name that carries decades of heritage, smiles, and stories, the Beetle has officially returned, but not in the way you might expect. With its iconic shape refined for the future, and an electric heart under its shell, the 2025 Beetle is more than just a reboot, it's a reinvention. Heritage reimagined. Volkswagen knew that bringing back the Beetle wasn't just about nostalgia, it was about honoring a legacy. The 2025 Beetle takes clear inspiration from the original Type 1, while blending it with sleek, modern curves and LED lighting signatures. The rounded fenders remain, the domed roofline returns, and yet, the car looks unmistakably modern. The new model rides slightly lower and wider, enhancing both aesthetics and handling. And for fans of the classic, the unmistakable silhouette is back, but now infused with aerodynamic sophistication. Engine powertrain. For the first time ever, the Beetle ditches internal combustion for a fully electric platform. Built on Volkswagen's advanced MEB platform, the 2025 Beetle comes with a single rear-mounted motor, paying homage to the original's rear-engine layout, but with a twist. The base variant produces 201 horsepower and 229 pound-foot of torque, while a dual-motor version is expected to arrive later with all-wheel drive. With instant torque and silent acceleration, the Beetle transforms from a casual cruiser into a spirited urban runabout. Battery options include a 58 kWh pack good for around 250 miles of range, and a larger 77 kWh version pushing past 310 miles. DC fast charging capability allows 10% to 80% top-ups in under 30 minutes, perfect for the next road trip down memory lane. Interior and luxury. The 2025 Beetle blends retro charm with future-forward tech. The cabin is airy and friendly, with soft textures, round air vents, and a dashboard inspired by the classic Beetle's horizontal layout. A 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen sits front and center, accompanied by an 11-inch digital cockpit that offers customizable layouts. Ambient lighting, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates make the Beetle feel more like a modern lounge than a car. Meanwhile, the iconic flower vase, a symbol from the early 2000s new Beetle, makes a cheeky return in digital form, customizable via the infotainment screen for a personal touch. And practicality hasn't been forgotten. Thanks to its EV platform, the Beetle offers more passenger space and cargo flexibility than ever before, with a frunk-up front and a deep rear boot. Driving experience. On the road, the 2025 Beetle is designed to be approachable and playful. Light steering, agile turning, and regenerative braking modes make it ideal for city driving. Yet it also surprises with its highway comfort. The battery pack gives it a low center of gravity, reducing body roll and improving stability. The ride quality is smooth and controlled, thanks to independent suspension on all corners. VW's engineers aim to capture the spirit of the original Beetle, easy to drive, hard to forget, and they've succeeded. It's not a performance car, but it doesn't need to be. It's a people's EV, just like the Beetle was once the people's car. Tech and safety, smart and secure. The Beetle is fully loaded when it comes to safety and driver assistance. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera, semi-autonomous driving on highways, and smart park assist. On the tech front, the Beetle is future-proof. With support for vehicle-to-home (V2H) charging, it can power your home during outages. The infotainment system includes AI-powered voice recognition and even a Beetle Buddy, a digital assistant with a customizable personality, adding charm to your daily drives. Trims and pricing, options for every lifestyle. Volkswagen has released the Beetle in 3 trims: Pure, Icon, and Heritage Edition. The Pure model focuses on affordability and simplicity, starting around $31,000. The Icon trim, at $36,500, adds more tech and style touches, while the Heritage Edition, priced near $42,000, brings two-tone paint, retro wheels, and exclusive interior accents that pay tribute to the 1960s and 70s originals. Leasing and subscription options are also expected to be a major part of Volkswagen's sales strategy, aiming to bring the Beetle to a wider and younger audience. Conclusion: a reinvention done right. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is not just a car, it's a cultural statement, a symbol of continuity, and a bold step into the electric era. It takes everything people loved about the Beetle, its charm, simplicity, and identity, and repackages it for the future. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a first-time driver, the new Beetle offers something unique in today's crowded EV market: personality. Volkswagen didn't just revive a car, they revived a feeling. And in a world moving faster than ever, the 2025 Beetle reminds us to slow down, smile, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching Drive Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dive reviews. See you in the next drive.